Hola, soy Shelley Leiser, soy una ciudadanía de los Estados Unidos, pero en mi corazón soy una ciudadanía de México porque la cultura aquí muy caliente y se van las relaciones entre las personas más que las relaciones más que dinero. I am from the United States and I'm a citizen of the United States. But I like to say I am a citizen of Mexico because I love, me encanta la cultura aquí. I like the culture here. There is a value on people and on warmth, not so much a value on dinero, dinero, dinero. Rápido, rápido, rápido. They don't just value working and making a lot of money, having nice things in the house, but also the value is on people. When I first came here, cuando fui aquí la primera vez, puedo decir, hola, ¿cómo está usted? I said hello very, very slowly. But after 1 week, I could understand things. We went on trips to Teotihuacan, the huge pyramids, los pirámides, cerca de aquí. Y después, 6 semanas, after 6 weeks, when the Berlin Wall fell, cuando no hubo el piso de Berlín, yo pude hablar sobre esto in 6 weeks, porque es la cosa de la immersión. It's because when you are surrounded by the language, if you are friendly, if you speak to people in Spanish, it is hard, but you learn very quickly. Es una experiencia muy buena. It's been a wonderful experience. I've been here 4 or 5 times. Now I am bilingual. Y creo es a cosa de centro bilingüe. It's because of being here. So I think it's a big opportunity. In the United States, also right now, ahorita, vivo in San Jose, California, and there are many people there in that city that speak Spanish, so I can practice my Spanish there. Ahorita estoy en la ciudad de San Jose, California, al sur de San Francisco, y because there are many people who speak Spanish, I get to practice a lot. También tengo un amigo especial que es Tex-Mex, que él está completamente bilingüe hasta que era bebé. I recommend to you to come here because it's beautiful in Cuernavaca, because in dollars, it's not very expensive. You can learn a lot, and you can learn a lot. Anyway, I feel very fortunate to have had this experience. When I was here, I learned many songs. And there were parties, but at first it was very difficult to speak in Spanish. I went to Tepoztlán, a town near here, very beautiful. It has small pyramids, not like the big pyramids in Teotihuacan, but actually I prefer Tepoztlán because the people there, they really care for the pyramids there. And if you come here, you must go to Tepoztlán. It is a beautiful place. You can go in a bus and you see a small town with many artists from many countries. You can also go on excursions to the cities of gold. You can go on many excursions, many trips. So if you have the opportunity to come here, maybe just for 2 weeks, it's great. If you can come more. But after you come one time, I suggest you return. Because again, when I came here, I could say, hello, how are you? Very, very slowly. Now I can talk with many people. Many people from Mexico think I was born here. So anyway, my experience here was wonderful. I recommend it to you. Yo te recomiendo.